What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover lost work due to a crash or an unexpected shutdown in Autocad. I'm going to demonstrate using my work here. The first thing, I'm going to make some minor changes that you can clearly notice in this Autocad. So I'm going to copy this and move it. I'll move it from there to this point. And then I'm going to initiate the crash down by going to task manager and end task for Autocad. Then I will demonstrate how you can recover this lost work. I'm using Autocad 19, but I think this can be applicable to any version of Autocad that you might be using. So you can see I have moved this one from this point to here, and I'm going to add something. I'm going to insert a block. I'm going to insert a block. Let me insert a blocks. I will select which one. I'll select that one. Okay. Then I will scale it. This is hold down. Okay, I can insert another block. Maybe a cloud. I will insert a cloud so that you will clearly see if this is a one or not. So I will insert a cloud here, then scale it. Okay, there's a cloud there. Then let's go to task manager and all of a sudden end this task. Okay, because you can see I have not saved my file, so this might happen without you expecting or without your will. So how would you recover your work? Let me demonstrate. Just end task. Okay, I will open Autocad again. My Autocad is I need Autocad 19. That just double click. So the name of the file is important. My file is my Autocad file name is ending with edited. I think, yeah, it is this one. So you can see right here on the top there is a backup file. Okay, but I will not open the backup file from there. I will just restart Autocad. As you can see, it is Cady Street. So I will expand here. Then I can drag and enlarge this point. Now you can see here we are having three files. There's one DWG with the original name. There's this one. The recovered file is this, which has you can see extra letters in the name, the first option. If you are using Autocad 19, if I click this one will not have the second option, will not be the one that we want, the one that we last edited with the last changes. As you can see, we don't have the cloud here. This one is still in the in that position. instead of here. So the one that we want, I think, or must should be this, the first option, which you can see the original name on top of it has 1415161A04D. It's like the date of the date or the time which this file was saved. So the first option, I'll just double click it, then continue. Okay. We can also try this one, the backup file. Still no changes. So this is the file. Okay, the reason why you cannot see the blocks which we inserted here is because my AutoCAD saves automatically after every 5 minutes. So autosave it the last autosaved was this one. So if you go to autosave setting, if you go to options, you can see files safety precaution. Automatic save is 10 minutes between saves. So if you want, you can reduce this to maybe 5 minutes or 5 minutes. I think 10 minutes is better because sometimes the laptop, hangs as it is saving. So this one might be disturbing or annoying. Saving after every 5 minutes. I think 10 minutes is okay, but you will recover the last saved file. Like you can see, this one is not down here, is where we last moved. Although there are some very last moment changes that are still missing, but you still recover your work, and you not have you might have done a lot of work, and if you did not save your work and your work is your laptop shuts down or your AutoCAD crashes, then it's like it might be a lot of stress. So this is how you can do it in AutoCAD 19, and I think other versions of AutoCAD. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.